Are you leading a team that's capable of more, but no matter how hard you push, it feels like something's holding you back? Maybe your sales have plateaued. Maybe you're struggling to develop the right people. Or you've built a successful business, but really aren't quite sure what it takes to reach the next level. The truth is, the next level of your business is going to require the next level of your leadership. That's why on August 26th to the 27th, Grosso University is going to be bringing together some of the most successful leaders in the home improvement industry for our Extreme Leadership Workshop. This 2-day intensive training will take place at the all-new Grosso University campus right here in Madison, Wisconsin. This is not your typical conference filled with influencers and fluff. This is going to be where real owners, real leaders, and real results are going to come together. You're going to learn directly from owners and executives running companies doing 30 million, 50 million, even over 100 million in annual revenue as they share the proven strategies they're using today to grow their businesses, build winning cultures, and develop high-performance teams. Whether you join us virtually, attend with general admission, or choose the ultimate VIP experience, you're going to leave with practical strategies, priceless relationships, and a clear roadmap to becoming the leader your team needs. The VIP experience is going to offer exclusive networking opportunities to connect directly with industry leaders and build relationships that could easily change the trajectory of your business and your life. The Grosso campus has limited seating for just 100 leaders, so do not wait. Reserve your seat today by contacting Grosso University at 888-GROSSO-U or by using the registration link provided. I can't wait to see you at our Extreme Leadership Workshop, and on behalf of the entire team at Grosso University, yes, you are a closer.